asesinos.
Yeah, nigga.
We run the city.
Sick, thicker than most of these tricks. I got my mind on making money, but you stuck on these fake bitches. I stay blunted and never fronted, and I doubt if I do. Cause if I did, then I get beat up by my fucking crew. A real nigga since you figure that you ready to box. You catching knots from my nigga Freddie Fox. You really don't want none for pop, cause I be strapped with a Glock and throw things like I'm born to box. I hit this motherfucking gin and I'll be all in. Hell yeah, young nigga straight ballin'. And everybody wants to see it from a G, weighing 165, and I'm high till I fucking die. Thug life in this motherfucker catching wreck. Big stretch hit me off when I hit the set. But now I'm cool cause I'm tipsy and I feel a nigga trying to see it from a killer. Come on.
Let's roll it.
La gente nos está mirando, Pablo. Me están preguntando cómo fue que de repente dos comerciantes de Envigado debutaron con tanta plata.
Gustavo, hermano, usted lave el dinero, pues haga que parezca legítimo y ya, hermano.
We run the city.